10 food secrets behind the long lives of Japanese people. Why does the Japanese live longer? Longevity is a dream for many, and people fail to understand that this is only possible by following a certain lifestyle. Looking at the life expectancy report of 2019, Japan holds the tag of the most popular country with the highest life expectancy of 2.31 million people reaching the age of 90. In this report, it was even said that there were over 71,000 centenarians in Japan at that time. So, how is the Japanese topping the list of longevity? Let's find out. What is the Japanese diet? As compared to the rest of the world, the Japanese diet includes seafood, soybeans, fermented foods, tea, and fish. In the Japanese diet, you will find less focus on meats, including beef, sugar, potatoes, dairy products, and fruits as well. The Japanese diet is known as one of the most balanced diets in the world, and thus, people tend to have great skin and longer life as well. If you also want to know the food secrets of living a longer life, then you must read below. 1. Eating slowly. Japanese literally tend to enjoy their food by chewing their food properly and eating slowly. This also gives them the time to communicate well with their family and friends, which increases their bond, and thus they stay happy as well. Proper chewing of food is extremely important for good digestion. 2. Portion control. In Japan, people don't believe in gluttony and eat the food just to fill their stomachs. Thus, you will often see the Japanese eat their food on smaller plates, which keeps them satiated without adding extra calories. 3. The tea drinkers. Japan is known as a tea-loving country, where people love to sip on their cup a lot. Japanese enjoy their matcha tea, which is known to have nutritional properties in it. It's rich in antioxidants and is good for skin as well. 4. Must eat breakfast. Breakfast is said to be the most important meal of the day. For the same reason, they include steamed rice with rice porridge and broiled fish in their breakfast. It keeps them satiated and prevents unhealthy binging. 5. Eating consciously. Hara hachi bun mi. A common saying in Japan, which roughly translates to eat till you are 80% full, is something Japanese abide by. They do not overeat and stop themselves consciously. 6. Cooking methods. Japanese are more inclined towards less cooked foods and thus opt for such cooking methods as steaming, fermenting, broiling, and even stir-frying. Japanese cuisine is also made using very little oil. 7. Eating soy-based foods. Easy to digest. Soybeans are a good source of carbohydrates, protein, and good fat. They can be used to make various foods like soy milk, miso, tofu, and natto. Fermented soybeans. Soy protein is known to boost energy while helping in building muscles as well. Not just that, it balances the hormone as well while promoting weight loss. 8. Less desserts, please. As explained earlier, the Japanese detest sugar and sweeteners, though Japan has a lot of popular desserts, but the people living there are more inclined towards savory dishes. 9. Including seaweed in the diet. Seaweed is a staple in the Japanese diet and comes in various forms. It's packed with minerals and vitamins, and is known to be rich in omega-3 fatty acids. 10. Eating rice instead of bread. You must have seen this in most of the Japanese restaurants, that there are no bread in their main dishes. This is because the Japanese like their rice a lot and do not like bread that much. Also, the bread is made of refined flour, which the Japanese detest eating. Follow me on YouTube.